Ian. Ian, do you have any message
Oh.
for Marie?
What's that again?
Do you have any message for Marie?
Message for Marie?
Yeah.
Why? What happened?
Because she's leaving.
Leaving what?
AMT. You look so surprised. Why are you so surprised? What happened?
Speechless.
You can do it.
Yeah. Anyway, greetings, right?
Yeah.
Farewell message. I don't believe it's farewell. We'll still be seeing each other here at Global One. So, Boss Marie, thank you for everything, for giving me the trust to at least somehow be part of Wellpoint. And thank you for those some of those well, the coaching times you provided, so it helped me a lot for Wellpoint. So yeah, I'm a little bit sad because again, you'll be moving out from this group, but I'm still happy that you'll be transferring to, well, not really a
You're
better
happy?
group, but you know, that would fit your schedule. So good luck, and take care, and we'll see each other again. So, thank you. Mama.